Morning guys, it's January 15th, 2021. So I got a call from a lady. I've worked on her air conditioner before in the summertime. I think she had a problem with a blockage on a condensate line. She got a little gas furnace down in the basement. And I guess she had her bathroom on the second floor. One of the hoses blew on the water line. And I guess they had quite a bit of damage, water running down the ductwork and down to the furnace. So she wants me to go over there and see if it's fixable. It's got to be condemned. Most likely water went down to the furnace and, you know, hit the motor down below there and the board. I don't know if it got all over the gas valve or not. I don't know how bad it was, but we're going to go over there and take a look at it. I guess they got people in there working on the place and cleaning it all up. There was quite a bit of damage from what she said, so I told her on the phone most likely you're gonna need a new furnace. So we'll go over there. The building inspector was over there from what she said. I don't know if they shut the gas off to the whole house or just to the furnace. If it didn't look like the gas valve went underwater, I might try to see if I get it running and just see if it, you know, if the fan got wet, fan motor. I'm not too concerned about that as more as I am the gas valve. But let's check it out. Go see if we can get it running for what the story is. She's called me a couple of times, a couple of towns over, and see how bad the damage is. She said one of the supplies on the sink blew off, flooded the house. Yo, how you doing, Mama? Oh, give it to yo, how you doing? It's an old American standard. It's the old American standard. Gas is still on. Houston, we have ignition. If the fans work. Look like this got too wet under here. I think it got too wet. Should be okay. Working. It is working, Mom. set it for 70. It's working. Yeehaw! Good enough for this neighborhood. Can't stop a train. Don't look like I got that wet. That should be fine. This water heater, I don't know if this is working. Get the water heater off. I don't see any big water stains down here. I don't think it flooded. Gas is still on this. Yeah, this has been running, so this is warm. That should be fine. We'll check that on the way out. That should be fine. I don't see any major flooding down here. I mean, a little bit, but nothing crazy. Didn't like fill up the house or nothing. Must have the water off.